Folded up my dreams like paper in my hands, threw them to the sky with a million plans. Started with a vision nobody could see, now the horizon's getting closer to me. City breeze carrying hope so high, watching every limit disappear from sight. Slow motion nights with the windows low, every road ahead is the only road I know. If the wind can lift a simple page, maybe dreams can break out of the cage. No fear living in my mind today, I'm letting destiny lead the way. Paper airplanes flying through the blue, every little dream is breaking through. Hands to the sky, let the moment breathe, it's more than what the eyes can see. Paper airplanes never falling down, floating far beyond this busy town. Every mile brings another chance, life is one long second dance. Every sunrise writes another page, growing wiser with every age. No shortcuts on the road I take, only real moves, never fake. Friends around me, heart so true, celebrating everything we made it through. The future calls with an open door, I keep believing there's always more. Clouds move slow but time moves fast,